Now I got all these runes, so. I gotta build up. Never mind. Where'd you go, Trent?
Back to the thing.
Oh.
Interesting. You can increase. I'm gonna do this. Where the fuck did you put yours over here?
What, the shrine thing?
No, I was looking for
I'm about to
sillies.
put it down. I'm gonna put it down next to this dude. I feel like enemies aren't really gonna spawn next to him.
Dude, it's in the middle of the forest.
Yeah, but I don't think they're gonna spawn right on him.
Dude, I didn't even repair my shit. That's literally what oh my god, I fucking. I can't.
Why won't it let me put it here?
I can't right now. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. They're not gonna spawn in yet inside of something. I hope that doesn't fuck us.
I repair my stuff. I can't believe I forgot to repair that. That's the second time I went to that place and forgot to repair my shit. Repair. This does hammer. I don't need that. Trevor, do you want this?
What? Want what? No, because it's for hammers.
I know, but it can up your defense at least for.
No, I'm good. Oh my god.
Donate that. What?
I haven't been recording this whole time.
No, you have not.
Not the whole time, but like the last 20-30 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
What else is
But
new?
first, because I gotta go pee anyway. I was like getting ready to end the recording, and I was like, yikes. Oh, shit.
Where do you even crap? Okay. I see, I see. Well, let me repair my fucking. Because again, I didn't repair my axe. Where the fuck do you get garnet? We need 6 garnet to Do our
Probably that like desert biome.
Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. But you're gonna need
How are
some
you
stuff
in
to
there,
help
dude?
you
I couldn't
stay
find a way
cool.
in there.
what?
Through the tunnel.
Oh,
Oh, I got garnet. I got 4.
we need the amber shit for the armor.
I know I got a couple of those.
What, the amber?
I think so, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, you can get.
I got 4 embers.
Oh, you can go. You can get garnet in the Smoky Highlands.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
Yeah.
But then there's like that person you can buy shit from.
I've had to piss for like 2 hours. But I've been having so much fun, I've just been leave.
I bodied her. Level 1 prestigious treasure, are you kidding me?
I am back.
I got Lee hustled.
What did I come back here for? I don't remember.
I don't
How many
know.
garnets do we need?
5
what
or
do we need it
6.
for?
The tool thing. To make level
The
3
tool grinder?
tools. Yeah.
We need 6.
Alright, I got 6.
I'm getting chased.
Find the fucking...
I can
Wait,
just...
where? Billy, where are you? Oh, you're over here.
No!
I didn't even know we could
Fucking
come
bomb
over
next to
here.
me. God,
What a
Yo,
fast
you
travel
are
it
a
is.
fucking... Your fast travel thing is nowhere near where you died at.
God. Stupid fuck.
Wait, you just died, Silly? Yikes.
Modest treasure.
Did you just go through the tunnel?
Yeah.
Need to get rid of some of these, Hey, you want some of these?
Fuck me.
I got all.
I fucked up.
It's not that
Oh,
great,
yeah.
but it's right.
How'd you get purple ones?
I'll be finding them.
If you need to heal, by the way, I will heal you in like 10 seconds if we stand still. Oh, goodness. Oh my goodness.
How?
You died again?
Don't know how. Didn't see no glitches. What killed me? I got off the thing.
Hey, yo.
About to go in this
I think I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, I got out of there. I hit that guy and like no damage happened. Do we even need to get iron at this point?
Iron
Oh, the
rod.
next boss is up here.
Yeah, that's where we're supposed to go, the Smoky Highlands, to kill him.
I'm gonna.
Huh?
Fast down.
Dude, what's with these the purple rattle? Like, what do we do with those?
You go make them into emerald dust.
What does that do?
Don't know. I did level up though. And with that, I can upgrade my max health to plus 25%. I'm now at 4,100 health.
Dude, I've been at 49 for almost the whole time we've been playing.
Jesus Christ. I was at 3,100.
I'm at 3,200 right now.